I've done an episode on cover images before, and if you haven't had a chance to watch that, definitely go back and find my episode about cover images and how to make sure they pop and kind of what needs to be on your cover image for Teachers Pay Teachers. But I wanted to do a specific episode about color contrast because I see a lot of mistakes of this on TPT. Even in my group, we will have people that, they follow my templates, but the colors they pick, they just don't pop. So I have a website. Now, it's not foolproof because sometimes I don't agree with the score it gives. Let me tell you the website. It's coolors.co, coolors.co/contrast-checker. And then it has like all these numbers. So we'll put the link below, or you can also just Google Coolors contrast checker. It will give you a score for 2 different colors for contrast to see if they are easy to read, easy to see. So I have an example here if you're watching on YouTube, one of my geometry curriculum cover images, and then I have some bad examples. So I checked this pink, so let me just show you how to use it. So you want the background color. You can click on the color and then click the little eyedropper and grab the color. And then I did white. So white wasn't great, but then when I added the black outline, if I do black, which is just 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, it has a very good contrast. So I felt like, I kind of played around with it. And this is something that you may just need to do a few different versions and just see what you like. So let me just do black. When I just had black, I didn't like it as much. I liked the white better with that pops so much more to me. So here's kind of like a non-researched based way. I will do a few different versions and then I'll kind of step back from my computer and see which one would stop my scroll, which one pops more. So if you're watching on YouTube, you can see that one doesn't pop as much to me as that one. And then same thing on these bottom text. Now I will say I don't agree with Coolors on this. So let me show you. So if I did this dark green and then I did black, it says has a better score than white. And the hex code for white is just FFF. It says poor, but honestly, like if you look at the difference between that white and this black, the white pops so much more. So I don't always agree with Coolors. So it's really just look at it. Does it pop? Can you read it clearly when you have it on your cover image? And then I just tried a few more examples. So this green on this pink was obviously not good. I'll just show you the score it got. And one cool thing that I do like is it will say click to fix. And you can adjust the text color, the background color, or both colors. So you can do that. Click to enhance, adjust text color. So it just kind of gives you some different options, especially if you're struggling with contrast. Like, oh, that would look better. So let's just click to fix the text color. So change it to black. Just kind of some different options for you to see what colors would be best together. Same thing on this yellow. So the yellow is a lighter color. So when I had the white text on there, it was hard to read, but when I changed it to black, way easier to read. Honestly, I like to stick with black and white text as much as possible. I know people have all these fun brand colors. Use those as the background and then just stick with white and black text on top. That's usually the easiest. So if it's more of a darker color, use white text. If it's a lighter color, use black text. That's going to be the easiest way for you to make sure that your colors are contrasting enough. So I would try that today. If you want to, see if your colors are contrasting enough. I love chatting in my Instagram DMs, so send me a DM at Lindsay Bowden. This is not a coaching session, but I will say, yes, that's a good contrast, or no, that's not quite it. If you want my actual coaching advice from me and my team, we do this all the time inside of my program, Teacher Resource Academy. We have people that have gone through our program. They will post their cover images in our group, and we will tell them, this needs to be a different, shade of whatever pink. Change this font, change this background color, and we are actually analyzing every single part of their store. So if you want to join us inside at TRA and join 10,000 other educators who have gone through our program, then you can start by heading to my free training. That's lindsaybowden.com/training. It also gives you a 50% off discount to my program. All right, guys, have a great week.